What's up everyone? Welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Play Store not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now scroll down and here click on apps. Now again click on this apps option and then scroll down and look for Play Store app. So here you can also search for the Play Store. Now open Play Store and then go to its storage, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of Play Store. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And to clear the app data, tap on clear data and from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. So that's how you can clear the app data and cache memory, and after doing this the Play Store will start working properly. But if you are still facing issue while using the Play Store, then the next solution is check for your internet connection if it's working properly or not. So to check internet connection, open a web browser, then open the website, and after that check if the website is loading correctly, or if it's lagging then correct your internet connection. And after fixing the internet connection, the Play Store will start working properly. But if you have a good internet connection, then move to the next solution. So next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone it will fix small software glitches like some apps not working issue. So that's how you can fix Play Store not working issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.